In this video, we will identify columns, cells, rows, and how to reference them. Rows within Excel are identified by numbers and will be found to the left of your workbook, represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Rows in Excel will always run horizontal or from right to left or straight across. I've highlighted row 1 for you. Columns within Excel are identified by letters A, B, C, D, and so forth. Columns in Excel will always run vertical, or in basic terms, up and down or top to bottom. Now let's bring your attention to the highlighted box that you see here on the screen. The highlighted box is called a cell. When working in Excel, you may need to identify text, numbers, or formulas in a particular cell. And to do so, you must know which cell to reference. Which brings me to my next question. Can you guess which cell we should reference in regards to the highlighted box? If not, no worries. We'll walk through this together. First, let's cover the method of locating a cell in Excel. When you think of a cell reference, think of a GPS. GPS allows you to find a restaurant, find a school, find somewhere you are trying to go. You need to locate something. Apply that same concept to Excel. The cell that you see here will be the place, and now you need to find directions on how to get to that place, or in this case, the cell. You want to start by identifying where a column and a row intersect or meet. By default, some people may say, okay, it's in row 3 and it's in column C. Even though this is a good starting point, it's incorrect. When referencing a cell, you want to call out the column first and then follow with the row number. In this case, the cell reference for our yellow box will be column C and row 3. And so the correct answer to our question is C3. Now, let's go to the black cell. Can you tell me what cell we need to reference? If you answered G6, you are correct. Our black box is in column G and intersects at row 6.